This is day 11 from Palermo, Italy of the Flaviar Advent Calendar. And I've had a lot of whiskeys here that I liked okay and some that I really did not like. I want day 11 to be a whiskey that I love. I want something from Scotland and I want a single malt. You gonna give it to me, Flaviar? Let's do this. Welcome to Whisky Riffs. If you're new here, I'm Kevin, and if it's the first time you're watching this channel, I'm 10 days into a whiskey advent calendar from Flaviar. You can really go back and start with whiskey day number 1 if you'd like. I have links below. I also have links below about why I'm doing this from Palermo, Italy. It's a long story about being digital nomads. It's all down below. Take a peek, check it out. Today, day 11, I'm going to go ahead and pour this, get started, and think good thoughts because I really want a great whiskey today. I've been okay with some of the whiskeys and I've been disappointed with some of the others. And I really want something that I love. I just want a whiskey that I love. I don't have my whiskey collection anymore. So I really want a bottle here that I can just fall in love with. And hopefully day 11 is the magic number. And that's a very different nose. What is that nose? Banana and berries? Some vegetable notes in there and the banana and berries. This is weird. I don't know where this is going. Let's try the taste. It's a nice long finish. A lot of spice that's hitting me in the back of the mouth, upper back, but I'm still feeling the finish, so it's potential here. What do we got? I felt like I've smelled this whiskey before. Don't you hate that when you can't place something? You know you've seen it, smelled it, heard it, tasted it before, but you can't place it. Dang it. I'm in trouble today. I'm in trouble. You know, I wanted a whiskey that I love, and I really kind of want to love the nose on this one. But I'm wondering what country this is from. It's very confusing. I want Scotland so bad. I'm going to say this is a Scotch, but I don't know where it's from. I'm not getting any peaty notes from it. There is a nice sweetness on the nose. So maybe there's a little bit of finishing done on it, and it's a Highland Scotch with some finishing. Did I say that before? Is that a whiskey that I've guessed before? I think I might have, because I want it so bad. All right, let me just look at the bottle, get this pain over with. It's another Irish whiskey. What the hell? That doesn't taste like an Irish whiskey. If this is a whiskey I know, I'm going to be very upset. Let me go ahead and check the app. Flaviar has a nice app here. I've done 10 days, and I really like the fact that I can disclose one day at a time. I don't like the fact that I have to rate and compare each whiskey. It's getting a little annoying each day to have to do this. I do like that I get to put notes in here because I like to do a wrap up at the end. Okay, revealing day 11, The Harvest, the Irishman, Irish whiskey at 40% ABV. Never heard of it before in my life. $33. Let's see what their tasting notes look like. Cocoa, Ranchillo. What is a Ranchillo? Do you know what Ranchillo is? Let me know in the comments. I have no idea. Umami? I don't know if these tasting notes from Flaviar are real or not sometimes, because maybe they have better tasting receptors than I have, but umami, that's just a weird way of describing whiskey to me. So the Irishman, The Harvest, is the first blend created by Bernard Walsh, and it's still one of their best and most unique coming out of the Irish craft distilling market. So craft distilling is a small whiskey distilling. It's startups. I appreciate that. I think it's a great idea. I think ideas come out of these smaller distilleries. This one is a blend of 70% single malt and 30% single pot still spirits. Having it 70% single malt really was throwing me into the Highland Scotch range, and single pot still spirits, to me, that's where Irish comes in. That's where it really tastes Irish to me. And they also say that they're adding a bit of grain spice, which makes this dram a standout. I don't know. Yeah, okay, the dram stands out because it was so unique I couldn't figure out what country it was from. But I don't know if I love it. I mean, I do like it better than most of the days of this calendar. I think it has some really good notes to it. I just had trouble placing it. It was kind of throwing my palette all over the place. But what do you think? Have you had the Harvest? Have you had anything from the Irishman? I'd love to hear your thoughts. 40% ABV works for me when it's a triple distilled pot still Irish whiskey. This blend, I don't know if 40% works for me. It got a little bit thin on the taste. But again, love to hear your notes. Love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And until tomorrow, take care of yourself. Take care of those people around you.